Notice of crimes against justice, formal allegation of judicial and legal misconduct. Understanding crimes against justice. Crimes against justice refer to illegal acts committed within the judicial system that obstruct fairness, violate due process, or corrupt legal proceedings. These offenses undermine public trust in courts, attorneys, law enforcement, and government institutions. Examples of crimes against justice. 1. Obstruction of justice, interfering with legal processes to manipulate case outcomes. 2. Judicial misconduct, judges acting with bias, corruption, or failure to uphold impartiality. 3. Prosecutorial misconduct, suppressing evidence, coercing false testimony, or wrongful prosecution. 4. Perjury and false testimony, lying under oath to deceive the court. 5. Fraud on the court, lawyers or officials knowingly presenting false information in legal proceedings. 6. Denial of due process, depriving individuals of their constitutional rights in legal cases. Example application. A defendant in a legal case discovers that key evidence was intentionally withheld by the prosecution, leading to an unfair ruling. They file a notice of crimes against justice, demanding an investigation into misconduct and due process violations. Legal basis for a notice of crimes against justice. Laws governing crimes against justice include 18 U.S. Code Section 1503, Obstruction of Justice, 18 U.S. Code Section 242, Deprivation of Rights under color of law, Judicial Misconduct Complaint Procedures, Federal and State Courts, Rules of Professional Conduct for Attorneys and Prosecutors. Filing a notice of crimes against justice. A notice of crimes against justice should include identification of the wrongdoing, specific crime, misconduct, or violation, legal citations supporting the claim, documentation or evidence proving misconduct, demand for investigation and corrective action. Example notice format. I, your name, formally provide this notice of crimes against justice regarding, describe misconduct. Under applicable law, these actions constitute a violation of legal ethics, judicial integrity, and due process. I demand immediate review and corrective measures to uphold justice and fairness. Legal and practical implications. Initiates formal review of judicial or legal misconduct. Preserves evidence for appeals or future legal actions. Exposes systemic corruption within courts and law enforcement agencies. Conclusion. A notice of crimes against justice is a powerful legal tool for exposing judicial and prosecutorial misconduct, ensuring that due process and legal integrity are upheld. Properly documenting and submitting this notice is crucial for seeking justice and accountability.